Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to the WRRD News. This is Mrs. Gully and Rumi and Noor. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd. Please pause for a minute of silence. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance by placing your right hand over your heart.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
In Rolling Ridge News, today is the first day of fall. That's my favorite season. Meals can be picked up at Rolling Ridge every day from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Check out books from the library using the library Schoology page. Girls in grades 3 to 5 sign up is going on for Girls on the Run. The weather today is... What's the weather today? The high is 71 and the low is 49. Today's Tuesday tip comes from Mr. Harvey.
Hello. So today I am going to show you how to complete and turn in a Google Drive assignment in Schoology. So right now I'm in a Schoology course. This right here is an assignment in the course. I know it's an assignment because it has this image next to it. So I see that image. Okay, that's what I have to do. It also has a due date here. And right here are some instructions. So if I click into that, before I click into that, I can also see upcoming. It's due soon. It's due Friday, September 25th at 11:59 p.m. So I need to make sure I get it done before then. I can either click right here or right here, and it will take me right into the assignment. And since this is a Google Drive assignment, it's going to bring me here to the description. The description is where your teacher might put instructions, or they might not, but if they have a due date, it will show up here. This might be blank. It's up to how your teacher made it. Once you're here, you need to click right here, this My Document button. And once you do that, it should bring up whatever file your teacher has shared with you. Okay? If you can't see it, like right now you see it's loading, here's the file. It took a minute, but it showed up. Here's the file. If nothing shows up, or if it says access denied, over here on the right side it says can't see your document, click here. Okay, you see my cursor up here? It's highlighting the words. If I click here, it'll bring this up. All this is doing is saying that Schoology and Google can talk to each other on your behalf. I bring that up. Down here, there's this blue connect button right here, right underneath the words Google. So I click connect. This page pops up. I know there's lots of things popping up. Hopefully you see your name right here. If you don't see your name, click use another account and sign into Google. If you're on your Chromebook, you should see just your name right here though. Click your name. This will pop up. All this means is that you trust Schoology to have access to your Google Drive, and that's perfectly okay. So click out this blue allow button right down here. So it's down at the bottom right over here. You might have to scroll down a little bit with your scroll bar. Okay, click allow right here. And that should kind of like reconnect your Google and your Schoology accounts. And if you've never opened a Google file in Schoology, you're going to have to do that. But if you've done it before and for some reason it quit working, once you do that, it should work just fine again. Okay? Once you've done that, you'll see it should have your name up here as the title, and then all this other stuff is whatever the title of the assignment is. You can go through right here in Schoology, and you can do all the things that you're supposed to do right here on this Google slide. Okay, so if you're supposed to do something over here, like insert something like a text box, you can put it in, you can start typing. Okay, move it around, do whatever you want. You're supposed to drag and drop something. You can take your mouse and drag and drop, or even your finger. Just make sure that if you're using your finger that you tap on it, so you have these blue lines all around it, and then you push your finger onto it and you move it around like this. If your Chromebook screen is just a little too small and this whole thing is a little too small, you can go over here and press this edit button right up here. Once you click that edit button, it opens a new tab. Your tabs are up here. You see I have 2 of them. If I click this one, it's back where I was in Schoology. If I click this one, it's right here in my assignment in Google Slides. See, it's much bigger here. If you're going to insert images or anything like that, this is the way to go. Press that edit button right here and open it up in this. It's a lot easier to put images and pictures and things on a Google slide or a Google Doc if you're here. But there's one problem with this is all I see is all this stuff here. I can't turn in my stuff here. So we're going to pretend I did everything I was supposed to do on this entire thing. I went through all 9 slides. I learned all the information I was supposed to learn. I did everything I was supposed to do. Now I need to turn it into my teacher. I need to submit my assignment. I'm going to go ahead and close this tab. Right here's this little X. I'm going to close that. That's going to bring me back to this. You see right here, this button says Submit Assignment. What this does is it tells your teacher, okay, I'm done with it. Can you please take a look at it? Okay. Once you do this, you can't make any more changes to this. I'll show you what that looks like. If I press Submit Assignment, it'll say, are you sure you want to submit the assignment? Yes, I want to submit, or never mind, not yet. I accidentally pressed that button. I'm going to submit it because I'm done. I'm ready to go. I did all the work I was supposed to do. I worked hard on this. I want to see what my teacher thinks. Successful launch. Your submission is on its way. Nice little rocket ship there. Done. Now you'll see this little thing changed. It says comment only. If I go to this stuff, if I go back to that slide where I was dragging things, I can't drag this thing around anymore. See, I click on it, I can't do anything. Even the text box I put in, I can't move. So that's because my teacher now has the ability to do these things, and I'm waiting for them to grade it. If I look at this, I'm like, oh, I put this in the wrong spot. I can go up here to the right-hand side in this big blue bar, and it says unsubmit with this little arrow. If I click that, I'll be able to do those things again. But I don't need to because I'm done with this. I don't need to change anything. And it says this assignment has not yet been graded. So I'm going to go grade this on my teacher account really quickly, and I want to show you what that looks like as well. So be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So you can see not a lot changed. You can see over here in the top right, there's now a grade, 4 out of 4. Right next to that is this comments button. I click that, I can see my grade again, and I can see comments that my teacher left me. So it says, great job. Adding that text box shows me you know what you're doing. That goes to this assignment, and it shows up in the Schoology gradebook as well for you and your parents to see. If you need any help looking at this again, just let me know. But I hope you all have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Today's question is from Umar in my class. He asked, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is soup. Rumi, what's your favorite food? Sushi. And what's your favorite food, Nori? Let's close today's program with our PBIS chant. At Rolling Ridge, Bully Free starts with me. We are champs. No. We are family. We choose to spread positivity. Bye!